a great choice today with the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, heated front seats, compass, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.